What is color? We know the color is all around us. Our home, our office, our school, our college, our market, they all full of color. Color is the integral part of our life, and it is impossible to imagine the absence of the color in our surroundings. Color in nature. We can see the color in the nature. You walk in the garden and you can see the flowers and the trees, they are full of the color. The variety of the color in the nature is amazing. We can see the large number and the variety and the combination of the color in the nature. The color in the society, the people all around us, they have variety of the color combination in their daily life. The clothing, the decoration, the walking around the corridors, everywhere we can see the variety of the color that are used everywhere. The color in the art. The creation of any design in the art is based on the selection of the color and the scheme of the color. We can create the very impressive design with the help of the color. See the color in the science. We are depending on the utilization of the color in variety of ways, and the colors are used to indicate the type of the solvent or the liquid, or as an identity for a particular chemical or reagent in our science. The color in industry. The commercial part of the color is observable. We can see the large variety of the color in our car: blue, red, green, white, purple, silver, golden. These all are the some names of the color that provide the beauty in the production and the market of the car. So the color, the presence of the color is so powerful that it seems, the life it does without the color. If there is no color, you will be feeling slowness and the attractionless environment. Let's have the color perception. The color perception can be varied in society, art, science, and industry. In society, the color is how substance appears to our eyes from the surface. That is the general understanding. In art, the color is how our eyes are seeing an object in presence of light. Color can be beauty, attraction, rejection, and value of a subject. Then the science, the color is a psychological perception by an individual of light reflected from a surface. The color perception of an individual is related with wavelength of reflected light, eye and mind. In industry, the color is the enhancement of a product attraction in customer. Now, the natural white light is composed of 7 colors that can be seen when the white light is passing through the prism, and the 7 wavelength of the lights that are produced in the natural white light are the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is the basic 7 colors in the natural light. Color we see is the color of reflected light. That is the scientific understanding. Surface of an object reflects the color of its object. If an apple is red, it will be reflecting the red color to our eyes, and rest of the wavelength of the lights will be absorbed by the surface of an apple. The red surface will be reflecting the red light. One way of understanding the color is the color wheel. That's divided the colors in three primary, which are yellow, green, yellow, blue, and red, and three secondary color are green, orange, and violet. Then rest of the colors are produced by the combination of primary and secondary. Basic color are 12 on color wheel. Three primary colors are red, yellow, blue. Three secondary colors orange, green, violet. Six tertiary colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, red, violet, which are formed by mixing a primary with a secondary. So, three primary colors, three secondary colors, and 12 colors. So the total basic color on color wheel are 12. What makes the color? The color we have in our life, it's produced by any of this composition. One is the printing ink, print paste, paint color, and dye liquid are used to produce color at surface and in the structure. Any color composition name above is available in the form of liquid or paste to produce color. The colorant, the composition is based on these items: colorant, that is dye or the pigment solvent that support the dissolution of colorant, then binder, fix for the fixing, and the auxiliaries to support how color is working in our lives. Now that's in summary, the color is supporting our life and the structure in the as a beauty. The color is value and the color is attraction. Now in summary, what is the color? The perception of the color requires light reflection. An object, that is the surface where light is falling and reflecting, eyes and mind. Four fundamental things that are linked with the understanding of the color in terms of the scientific concept. Now the summary of the color perception in society, art, and science. In society, the color is how a substance appears to arise from surface. In art, color is how our eyes are seeing an object in presence of light. Color can be the beauty, attraction, rejection, and value of a subject. Color in science is the psychological perception by an individual of light reflected from a surface. The color perception of an individual is related with wavelength of reflected light, eyes, and mind. And thank you for your attention.